Hello folks, welcome back to our channel. This is about our production facility. So I'm going to explain our production facility and how it works. So first we're going to start with the raw materials. So here we have our raw materials. This material is called hay. In its natural environment it looks like this. Here we have hay in its natural environment. Now, every summertime, this hay is mercilessly decapitated by heavy machinery and baled into squares and left to dry. Once the material is brought to our facility, it goes into the production process. Here we have our machinery that helps in the production process of our final product. Here's one machine, and here is another machine. As you can see here, in the production process, the materials are fed into the machine to be converted into this. Now this machine here, hi little machine. Now this particular, this is not quite the finished product. The finished product looks like this. And here you have it, folks. Here is our final product, basically manure. This is the Ars Nova Manure Factory, and we've been in operation now for a while, and we are specialists in producing manure. Anyway, whatever. Bye.